In the world of wholesale real estate, dispositions is one of those secret weapons that most real estate investing teams don't have efficient systems around. Now, this is one of the most overlooked skill sets in the real estate investing industry. We talk so much about acquisitions and how to find deals and off-market real estate investing, but you're not going to hear a whole lot of the gurus talking about the best disposition strategies. So in this video, we're going to quickly go over some efficient ways that you can dispo your deals for more money. Let's talk about real estate dispositions. Now, real estate dispositions is the process of selling, leasing, or commercial lease buyout of real property. Now, there's some very powerful tools out there like creative contracts where you can actually put a deal on the MLS market, InvestorLift, which is a very powerful dispositions instrument that a lot of wholesalers use, or just having a streamlined process and a bunch of vetted buyers in the market that you are doing business. Now, dispositions has been overlooked for many years because a lot of these investors, they get so focused and caught up in finding the deal, and when they actually find the deal, they don't know what to do with it. Why? Because we just don't talk about real estate dispositions as much as we should. Now, I encourage most of our students inside of our program to focus on building relationships with vetted cash buyers in your local market first. There's a term known as reverse wholesaling. Now, reverse wholesaling is the process of building your cash buyer relationships and understanding what type of houses and what type of product those cash buyers are looking for. When you know the need of your investors, whether it be a local landlord, fix and flipper, or even a hedge fund, then you can go after the types of properties that they are looking for. Now, in the process of reverse wholesaling, we show our students how to build a database, right? So you need to have a clean process when you're bringing on a new cash buyer and how you bring them into your system. It's important to have a professional approach and that you're asking all of the right questions to make sure that you can supply the type of assets that they are looking for. Now, real estate dispositions, if we take a deep dive at it, our company has been doing for years. And a lot of you that have been following us for quite some time know that we came out of the hedge fund era, right? Now, there was a season where a lot of our people would bring deals to us because we have relationships with all the institutions, hedge funds, and big time cash buyers across the southeastern Sun Belt. Now, the power of this gave my team the ability to flip houses and wholesale houses across more than 20 different states across the United States. We were able to accomplish this by having a rockstar dispositions process. We had connections to the big institutions, and so we created a pipeline where our students could bring deals to supply to our cash buying partners. Now, there's a reason that real estate dispositions is so important to really learn the process, which is why I encourage you to spend some time before even getting started in learning how to build this thing out. Start off by getting into some of your local real estate groups. You can meet vetted cash buyers, local investors across your state just by going to networking events. To put a layer on top of this, you can put active ads inside of Craigslist and Facebook, letting local cash buyers know that you can source great deals on a consistent basis. And these vetted buyers are always looking for good relationships with people that can find the right deals to supply their investment needs. Now, as long as you're willing to get in the game, do the work, and build the relationships, I promise you can be successful in this industry. You simply need to get out there in the game, learn the tools, You're going to do this more so by joining a mentorship or a community, or finding a local investor in your market that you can partner up with in exchange for knowledge. Most of these investors come into the game without proper knowledge, skill sets, or training, and this creates some sticky situations because we've got new investors that are contracting deals too high and don't know how to sell them. We've got investors that are locking up MLS deals and trying to trade them for above market value. And there's a lot of things that are happening in this current market that people aren't talking about. So we got to bring that to the light and call you out. Wholesalers, it's time to tighten up. You're going to do so by surrounding yourself with a group of winners or investors who have already accomplished the results that you are seeking. So find that community, attract your tribe, and never stop learning. The vehicle of real estate can take you anywhere you want as long as you're willing to commit to the discipline. I'll see you on the other side.